Hello, my dear lovers of StarCraft BroodWar Replays. It is Sonic MD. Today I want to show you one of the best game whose I seen past a month, maybe month. It is a TVP matchup. Red in right corner, it is a red toss with nickname Mini Maxi. You know him for his first and main nickname is Ray. His opponent is a right corner, it's blue Terran, and I don't know who is that. His barcode nick, but I know it is a good player. Look at this APM, look at this APM. Maybe it is Rush. I remember that Rush in start few minutes show us the so huge APM. It means the game will be very interesting. Both players show the 500 plus APM. Both players haven't any try to find his opponent, but yes, maybe he's sharp. I can call the Terran is sharp. Maybe no. Okay, he's go map. They play it on the map Deja Vu. Deja Vu map is a new map. On this map was some interesting game on my channel. Okay, Terran. He take the wrong position. Protoss Max. So funny nickname. He haven't any trying to find his opponent. Okay, what we see here? We see the sharp build a CC. Okay. Go. Yes, of course. Up. Yes. We just see the first blood. Okay, and they go to the wrong position, and they prop to go to wrong position, wrong location too. Here we see the bunker. The bunker is 3 marines and total standard. Start game. What we see the robot. Oh, it will be probably a river. Yes, probably a river, because unemployed. I see this. Dragoon have already increased his damage attack, attack radius, and versus 2 attacking. Dragoons need for 1 attacking Dragoons need one repairs SCV who will be repaired. Bunker. Okay. Yes, they then have some damage. Minus 40. This is okay. Nice. One shoot. 30 damage. Alert. One shot. Greedy Minimaxi take another base. Yes, he have. What he doing? No, what? I was being alright. It was a observe. Oh, so some small path. So small path. This is versus that unit, that vulture. Very aggressive unit, vulture. Yes, Terran have a go to attack. Yes. Protoss sees that, and 5-6 dragoon versus sorry throat. I throat. It's been very sorry. Again. Oh, it's a strong army. He have some damage CH? No, he haven't CH. He haven't CH? Oh no! 5-8. Nice attack from Minimaxi. Nice mine boom. Okay, what is it? Go home, Terran, go home. Oh! Try to catch. Go. Boom. Yeah, they killed. Yes. So damaging. You see the so damaging dragoons, and they try to go here. Going. It's empty. So aggressive. No. Yeah. So aggressive stuff from the Minimaxi. You haven't forget where is he that base already mining in normal. Again attack, but but Terran have huge more army than that is. Protoss have built more and more gateways. He have 6 gateways because he have 3 base, and both layers have 51-52 workers. It is a very strong count. Yes, two factory built tanks. Oh, mine. It was a mine doing some damage to that. Oh, sorry. I was blind with this. No. What? You see that? It was a 5 for 4 kills. Again, boom. One. No, wood. No. Oh. So. Rain is so scary in this situation. So scary. river would be doing so many damage. Yes, we see what we see. We see the sound of scan of comset station. Okay, what we see again? Rain thinking doing in that time. Terran kills all that acts to have a more position to out. Oh, we see the strong. This was a strong drop. Put. What the? So scary situation for Scarabs. He doesn't do his work. Oh, two shots. Boom. Again. Put. Oh, so he attacked again. Sorry. Game action wasn't in 1, 2, 3 locations everywhere. Something. Oh, it was a bad situation for Terran and for Toss. More for Toss. He killed so many SCVs, but because Scarabs will not do his work. Oh, again attack! So aggressive stuff, so boom, so aggressive. This is so aggressive game from the Rain is a master in PvP matchup. As I know, he and GoSu, Stork, and Free, and something else is the King of Toss. They call him King of Toss, Protoss. What we see here, Rain have oh sorry, Terran have a half army limit in workers and half army in warriors. Okay, this is warriors and workers. Here, oh. Okay, boom. Two is done. One C is done. So bad. Nice. Boom. Oh, so that's a 3, 4, 5, 3. Oh, this is a bad situation for Minimax. If you have, maybe he have more easy game if they use Scarabs doing some damage, but it not will be all good. Attack so aggressive, so huge, oh so like a Jung again, shoot, No, 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 no. So aggressive style from the mini-maxi. Terran is so aggressive game too. Not. Oh, see here, what's happening here? Here, up. And 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. It's so few get away. Toss. Oh. What happened? Oh, so sorry guys. I didn't see this. As I said earlier, Kim was in some location. Here. I don't know. Where is this again? Where is more action in some moment? Minimax Pepper 8 gateway. His opponent had 6 gateway. Okay, so aggressive. Again, so aggressive. So we see the so aggressive Protoss. Yes. So yeah. Do you like it? I like it. As I say, this is an interesting game. One of interesting games that I see last few weeks. Nice Silent Storm from Daddy. Who's your daddy? Okay, attack again here. To the dead base. Again. Some small group going to here. What's happening? Oh, observer is dying. So Terrans don't know what he's doing. What is doing? Again group. Kills. Go clean. Oh, mine doing some damage. Some good damage. Boom. Nice. He will see the mines. You see so many blue ice cream. Minimaxi have more limit plus 40 that Terran have. Oh, PC Protoss shuttle, not CIS. Not see the Protoss shuttle. oh, so 6. So nice silence. Sea storm. Go. Why you are doing? They break fighting Templar again and again. Protoss have almost x2 more limit than Terran has. So many scam. He understands that Terran understands that he has so few armory. Oh, again. Just a nice storm. Not a huge storm. Huge. Oh, you see that right? Again, attacking again. So dangerous game. Oh wow. So I don't know, like it's a huge game. Very interesting PvP. Rain show us the area grace. GG? No, not GG. Is it not GG? But it's GG's. GG is near. GG. Terran no haven't. Yes, this is GG, but they write something to each other. Yes, what? This is GG, this is GG again and again, brave Protoss hit. Boom! Oh, what is going on? What is going on? No, this is not sharp. Sharp maybe not doing. What is going on? Protoss need to do air weapons. Why so bad money? Why you so bad money? Terran, what are you doing? Just waiting, what is here? Yeah, this is... He need a scout, Maybe Ren talk to him. What are you doing? Just text it. Just write DG. Oh, this is no bad man situation. No, what are you doing? You need to flip the Kohn and build. Yes, this is that supply the cores, and you need to doing faster scout movement. Yes. Oh, who sees that? With that, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, faster scout movement. Developed gravity thrusters. What are you doing? Yeah, why is I long time not see that situation when this so much money, but it is a game. All we are people. Maybe want in his statistics. Maybe I can do x2 сделаю, x2, doing x2. You see? But it's not happening here. Yes. Here. What are you doing here? Okay guys, it is GG. So funny. Right, maybe some so funny. Okay, it is GG. Nice, huge aggressive game from TOS, and not so few aggressive from Taek. I think you like this game. As I, to Sonic MD, see you later.